What's up? It's your girl Ashley and I'm back again with another video. So if you read the title of this video, then you know what it's going to be about. It's a super fun video. I'm so excited to be doing this. Today I'm going to be doing my review on KYLIE skin. Woo! Woo! Yes, I use KYLIE skin. It's so amazing, and let me just be the first to tell you that the hype is real, you guys. Let's just hop right into the video. Alright guys, so as you guys may know, Kylie Jenner does have her own skin line. It's called KYLIE Skin. She launched it a little bit after her lip kits, the KYLIE lip kits. It's super nice, and I'm a girl that wears makeup, so I'm constantly super aware of my skincare and my facial hygiene. I feel like I'm always washing my face, and especially because as a kid I struggled with acne, so growing up I always tried to find the best products that fit me and my skin type. As you guys know, I have oily skin, super oily, and throughout the years I've been able to maintain it, manage it, and find the products that work best for me. So I'm super excited to introduce this baby. Ta-da! This is the KYLIE skin, guys. This is what it looks like. It's in a pink bottle. It says her logo name on there, but I don't think you guys can see it. See? It says it. KYLIE skin. Looks like this. Very foamy. Super pretty. I love this. I love the packaging of it. I just love everything about it, really. Shout out to Kylie Jenner for making such beautiful products. This product is really, really good. I have sensitive skin on top of my oily skin, so this really helps with that. It doesn't have much of a scent, and I feel like my skin breaks out when I have scented products on there. But when you pump this, it kind of pumps out like a little foam. I can show you guys. As you can see, it's a foam texture, and it feels so good going onto your skin once you like rub it in. It's so good, and the smell, it doesn't have a big smell to it. So it's almost like it's unscented. I'm just gonna wipe this off, guys. Give me 1 second. It doesn't have a scent to it. It comes with this snap top, and it's really convenient. I've had it for about 4 or 5 months now, and it works really good. It does a really good job with getting my makeup off. I personally use a vanity brush when I wash my face and take my makeup off, so it goes in hand with the cleanser. The cleanser is so nice, and it smells so good. Like, I know earlier I said it doesn't have a scent, but it has the babyest scent to it, and it just smells so pure and so good. And Kylie really knew what she was doing when she made these products, because it doesn't break my skin out at all. As you guys can see, I'll do a close-up. As you guys can see, my skin is pretty much clear for the most part. Throughout the years, I've been able to manage my acne, and I really appreciate products like this that are gentle enough to maintain it as well. So the cleanser is really good. If you guys ever wondered about it, I would definitely recommend going out and getting it. I'm super excited to try more of her products, and I'm definitely going to be re-upping on this. So I actually got this from Ulta. Kylie has her skincare products in Ulta. I always love making trips there, and picking up this product nowadays just makes it 5 times better. So if you guys ever wanted to get this product, you can find it at Ulta, or you can go to her website. I'll link her website in the link below just so you guys can try it out. I really recommend you trying this. It's so nice, and I'm so proud of her because she really knew what she was doing when she made this product for the ladies. Now, when I bought this, I was actually testing out her product, so I also saw this, and this caught my eye. This is the KYLIE Skin by Kylie Jenner eye cream. It's really, really good. You guys know I wear makeup. Looks like this. Like this. You guys know I wear makeup, and I do conceal underneath my eyes, so I am touching down there often. And in order to maintain healthy eyes, ladies, you're gonna want to invest into an eye cream, especially getting older with age. I know the ladies in my generation, we're getting older. So really keeping up with your skincare is important, especially growing with age. So I saw this in Ulta and it really caught my attention because I am very aware of stuff like that. It looks like a lip gloss in a sense, and that's why I liked it, because it looks like easy application. It comes off like this. It's almost like a lip cap, but it has the cutest random little nozzle. Look at it, it's so cute. And all you do is you squeeze the tube and then you apply the product underneath your eye, which really comes in handy. And the way that she made this makes it so easy to get under your eye and into the crevices of your eye. It really makes a difference and it really makes it easy. The consistency of this one is your average cream. I can show you guys, and it comes out in this beige cream color. It's really nice, very easy to use, and it doesn't have a scent at all, which is perfect for under the eye. It's been lasting me a long time too. It's in this tube, which is a 57-ounce tube, and it lasts a long time. This product, like I said, I've had it for 4 to 5 months and I still have quite a bit in there. I use the eye cream before bed, so it's been lasting me, and I definitely will be re-upping on this product as well. I don't think that I announced the ounces of this, but this is a 5-ounce foaming face wash. So that's what it says. KYLIE Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash, 5 ounces. So looks like this, and this one looks like this. And they're super cute. They're super fun products. My favorite color is pink, so I definitely love the packaging, and I will definitely be getting more whenever I run out. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to do this review for you guys. I know that Kylie Jenner is a big deal, and I know that a lot of people are curious about her products. I used to be that way, but I went ahead and got the product and it worked out good. Shout out to you, Kylie, because these products are amazing. So I definitely recommend everybody going out and getting some. At least give it a try, especially if you're a makeup girl. These will come in so much handy for you. You'll thank me later. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. That was my review on Kylie Skin. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be free to answer any questions or concerns you guys have. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, become a subscriber, join the family, and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Oh yeah, and don't forget that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Alright guys, I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.